AirDrop on Samsung phones is finally becoming a reality, and yes, even older Galaxy devices are starting to get it. But before you get too excited, there's a big catch you need to know about. For years, one of the biggest advantages of iPhones has been AirDrop. It's fast, simple, and just works when you want to send files between Apple devices. Android users, especially Samsung fans, have been asking for something similar that works across platforms. Now, it looks like Samsung is finally delivering that experience through Quick Share. Recently, Samsung confirmed support for what many people are calling AirDrop over Quick Share. At first, this feature was only available on the latest Galaxy S26 series. That left users with older Galaxy phones wondering if they would ever get it. Now there's some good news. Samsung is slowly extending this feature to older devices as well. According to reports, phones like the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S25, and even foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 are starting to receive support for this new sharing feature. But here's where things get a bit confusing. This isn't coming as a full system update. Instead, Samsung is pushing it through updates to Quick Share and related modules. That means you don't necessarily need a big Android update to get it. In theory, this should make the rollout faster and reach more devices quickly. However, in reality, things are not that smooth yet. Many users have reported that while they can see a new option called Share with Apple devices, the feature doesn't actually work. Some users can't see the option at all, while others see it but can't use it properly. For example, Samsung phones are not showing up in the AirDrop menu on nearby iPhones, and Galaxy devices also can't detect Apple devices nearby. So basically, the feature is there but not really usable yet. This suggests that Samsung is still working on the backend. Even if your phone has the latest Quick Share update, you might still need a server-side update from Samsung or Google to fully activate the feature. Until that happens, the experience will remain incomplete. Some users have tried updating everything possible, including firmware, Google Play system updates, and Google Play services. In a few cases, the feature appeared after these updates, but even then, it didn't function properly. This clearly shows that the rollout is still in progress. Now, it's worth mentioning that this feature didn't start with Samsung. Google first introduced the idea with its Pixel 10 series. The goal was to make file sharing between Android and Apple devices easier and more seamless. Later, Samsung officially adopted it, and even Oppo announced that its upcoming Find X9 series will support it as well. So this is not just a Samsung feature, it's part of a bigger move across Android brands to break down the barriers between Android and Apple ecosystems. And honestly, this could be a game changer. There are many users who prefer Android phones but still use Apple devices like MacBooks or iPads. Right now, sharing files between these devices can be frustrating. You often have to rely on cloud storage, messaging apps, or cables. A working AirDrop-like feature would make this process much easier and faster. At the same time, Samsung might also see this as a way to attract iPhone users. If Galaxy phones can offer a similar file sharing experience, it removes one of the key reasons people stay locked into the Apple ecosystem. But for now, we're not fully there yet. The feature clearly has potential, but it needs more polishing. Samsung and Google still have work to do to make sure it works reliably across devices. Once everything is fully enabled, this could become one of the most useful features on Galaxy phones. So if you have an older Galaxy device, keep your apps and system updated. The feature might show up soon, and hopefully, it will start working properly in the near future. Until then, it's a promising step forward, but not a complete solution just yet.